In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Orders in Council shipment in an ACI eManifest from start to finish. An Orders in Council is a Canadian shipment type that allows for the release of goods that are exempt from regular clearance process requirements not otherwise provided for in the Customs Act. To qualify, the goods must meet the conditions outlined in the particular Order in Council, and the carrier must be able to provide an Order in Council number. Highway carriers commonly use Order in Council for the release of shipments valued at $20 Canadian or less, using Courier Imports Remission Order, for example. Additionally, the driver will also have to present a completed A8A at the time of arrival, and the Orders in Council number must also be marked on the A8A acquittal number field. For more information on an Orders in Council shipment and ACI, visit BorderConnect Support Wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. So now, let's get started. Once you're logged in, hover over the ACI eManifest menu option at the top and click Start New ACI eManifest. You'll be brought to the Start New ACI eManifest page. Once all your eManifest trip details are added, such as your unique trip number, Canadian Port of Entry, ETA, and the truck, trailer, and driver, you can then begin creating your ACI shipment. So at the bottom of the page, click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. You're now in the Start New ACI Shipment page. And first, from the top, you'll want to change your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS shipment by default, but since this is an Orders in Council shipment, click the shipment type and change it to Orders in Council. Next, enter your cargo control number. And then, add your shipper and consignee information. You can quickly assign them in BorderConnect by typing in the first few characters of the name of the shipper or consignee, or by entering the address and it'll pop up for you. Just click it to add it to the eManifest. After you add your shipper, you'll also notice that the city of loading field below was automatically assigned based on the location of the shipper. However, if you picked up the load from a different location than the shipper's address, provide the city you picked it up from here in the City of Acceptance field. Now it's time to move on and create the commodity details for the ACI shipment. So, at the bottom of the page, click Save and Add Commodity. You're now on the Add Commodity for ACI Shipment page, and this page is pretty straightforward. So enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. And that's it. Now that you've added the commodity, you can go back to the Shipment Details page and print your A8A. So hover over Save at the top and click Save and back to ACI Shipment. Then, from the ACI Shipment Details page, on the top right, hover over A8A form and click Print, where you can see that all your shipment details automatically populated on your A8A form. So provide this document to your driver. After you print your A8A, click Back at the top to go back to your ACI eManifest Details page. Here, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance. If you have additional information to add to your manifest, now is the perfect time to do so. For example, if your trailer had a seal, or you'd like to assign a team driver, you can do it right from here. If all your information is correct, you can now send it to CBSA. To do this, go to the top of your eManifest and under Send to CBSA, click Send Trip and Shipments. BorderConnect will automatically update your eManifest to 3 blue bars once it's accepted by CBSA. Additionally, if your driver was set up for text or email alerts, they'd be automatically notified. And since there are no transaction numbers for Orders in Council shipments, your eManifest will remain at 3 blue bars until the driver arrives at the border. The driver will also have to wait 1 full hour after the ACI is accepted before proceeding to the border.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.